Well, this is my nephew's truck. We've been working on it. Haven't been able to post videos on my own truck. I just went ahead and did the engine swap out of a 86 two-wheel drive Toyota. So we slapped this one in here not too long ago. Kind of try to organize. It was a mess in here, like mine. But yeah, this is his first gen. Got the new hanger in there because they had some kind of rigging. They had made a homemade lift kit. It was horrible. So I got the hanger tacked in there. Still on the jack stand, so it doesn't put too much pressure on the front hanger. But I mean, this is his first gen, and I dig it. It's pretty nice. Just needs a little bit of love. Bob the bed. That's what I ended up doing on mine. This is actually my bed here. Bob the bed. I gotta grind it and put some Bondo on it. And right now it's just being used for storage, as you can see. Yeah, you can't see, but I got the muffler coming out of the side right there. But yeah, that's the Yodas. Get them on the road quick soon here.